ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಚಿವ ಸಂಪುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ಪಡೆದ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಭಾರತ ರೋಜ್ಗಾರ್ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗಾವಕಾಶ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಭದ್ರತೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಸಚಿವಾಲಯದ ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹಣಕಾಸು ಸಲಹೆಗಾರರು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಧುಮಿತಾ ದಾಸ್ರ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅಜಂತಾ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುವಾರ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಧುಮಿತಾ ದಾಸ್, ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಭಾರತ ರೋಜ್ಗಾರ್ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಗೃತಿ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗಾವಕಾಶಗಳ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ, ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಭದ್ರತೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದರು.
In Mangalore, Manipal, my own daughter has done her graduation from Manipal University, so I know about the education sector here. All of these are well covered by EPFO. So this scheme that we have brought to you this time is to help you in doing your own work. You will be as industry, hopefully you are growing, your footprint is increasing, you will need more factors of production, labor being one of them. From the Labor Ministry, this is our effort towards making this factor of production at least more affordable for you. At the same time, support the first time worker, the first time employee who makes this transition from education to employment, to help them in their journey to sort of smoothen their learning curve. But mostly it is geared towards helping the employer in in supporting you in creating more employment in a young country like India, where huge population gets educated and is ready to enter the labor market every year. It is incumbent upon everyone, including the government and the industry, to create opportunities for the youth. And to that extent, this is our effort to help you in growing.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಿಧಿ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಮುಖರ್ಜಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ವಿಕಸಿತ್ ಭಾರತ್ ರೋಜ್ಗಾರ್ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದರು.
This scheme is a part of Prime Minister Youth Employment and Skilling Package. It was announced in the Union Budget of 2024-25. In a period of 5 years, around 2 lakh crore budget has been assigned for this project. The purpose of this project, this scheme, is to empower generating employment of around 4.1 crore youth. The scheme is to promote job creation, formal employment, skilling and internship. We have similar schemes like AMS DE scheme, Skill Development Mission Expansion scheme, which was approved by the Cabinet on 7 May 2025. Then there is scheme for National Internship Scheme. First pilot was launched on 3rd October 2024. And of course, the PMBVR scheme was approved by the Cabinet on 1st July 2025, and it is formally launched from 1st August 2025. PMBVRY will complement the National Manufacturing Mission of the Government of India. If you go through the scheme at a glance, you will see that the total outlay, that is the total budget sanction for this scheme, is around 99,446 crore, 99,446 crore. It is giving special emphasis to the manufacturing sector. We can see that for the benefit of the scheme can be availed by the manufacturing sector for 4 years, and other than manufacturing sector, the scheme, the other sector can avail the scheme for 2 years.
ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನಿಧಿ ಇಲಾಖಾ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಳಪಟ್ಟ ವಿವಿಧ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು, ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಂದ ಯೋಜನೆಯ ಕುರಿತು ಸಂವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು.
How many of you have registered for the scheme? Were there from the industry here? Huh? I don't believe. Establishment, is it easier? Did you find any issues with that?
We have total 34 institutions. So all are having one or two more than 5 new joinees this month, or
Okay.
last month also.
Okay, so but last month there doesn't really matter.
Last month in our hospital almost 38 new employees.
Since 1st August only.
1st August on.
38.
38, almost 38.
And all of them have been registered.
Under Umang app
Umang
and
app.
the face authentication app.
Face authentication. You didn't have any problem.
No. Initially it was a problem for our first 15 days. After
Can you
that,
explain what is the problem you face?
problem with the server.
As a training also they use the apprentice. Because there are two types of apprentice. One is apprentice and apprentice engaged as per Apprentice Act 1961. In this case, those employees are not given PF benefit. So to avail the benefit of the scheme, if you take apprentice also, or training also, I mean, whatever the nomenclature may be, but if you give the benefit of EPF, then the benefit of the scheme will be can be availed by the employee and the employer also.
Incentives, apprenticeship also has incentives which the government is giving. So duality of it, I think you have to be careful about it. But particularly apprenticeship, you don't have to register nothing.
We are in the process of registering.
Yeah, the point I'm making is, if you are as an exemptress, if you are not filing ECR for all your employees, please go ahead and do that quickly from August 24 to July 25.
Yeah,
So
we
that
are fine.
just time larger context. Okay, and that is important for exemptress. So exemptress are also eligible for this benefit.